Hello everybody, Chris here, Mr. Credit Solutions. I'm going to show you guys our back end of our do-it-yourself credit repair website. This has been a long time coming. We are so excited to finally have this available. We know not everybody can afford our services, but for $39.95 where we stand today, that's the cost of it. That does include your credit monitoring. Guys, I can't find anything else cheaper out there on the market as far as having the technology that we're providing, the credit monitoring that's included, and even our proven strategies and templates that we've been using for almost 14 years. Without further ado, let me show you some key features of our new website. So after you've imported and you've set up your credit report, you're going to be it's going to take you to your home page. On your home page, you're going to see your credit scores. Now, guys, these are Vantage 3.0 scores. I don't want to confuse anybody with FICO, but we've been using them for quite some time. We love them, and they're used primarily just for educational purposes. The next thing on your home page you're going to see, let me delete this, is your credit score history. Okay, it'll have your start score. You can see if your scores are increasing, and each month it'll let you pull a new report. So today is August the 12th. It even tells you here at the top is the next time on September the 12th that you can pull a new report. Okay, so all this is just the data and where you stand on your credit scores. If you look to the left on your menu, if you go to create dispute letters, the first thing it's going to ask you to upload your proof of residence documents. Now, I do have some informational videos that I'd like for you to watch before you upload them. Now, after your account's active, you'll see my explanation of what to submit, because what you don't want to do is give them documents that don't match and then they reject them, and then you are wasting time and nobody wants that. But if you do have your documents ready, just upload them there. They'll print along with your letters. At this time, we're only allowing 6 negative items per bureau to be disputed. Okay. So let's say that you're going to pick this account right here with Citibank, right? All you do is click on this button, process dispute. If you go to the next one, this one's only reported on Experian, not the other two bureaus. Let's click this one. Let's go to this Open Sky account that's reporting on all three bureaus. Let's click that one. How about a couple inquiries? Let's dispute this inquiry. And after you've selected the accounts that you want to dispute, you're going to pick the type of letter that you're going to start off with. Now, we have imported our actual templates, and our suggestion is 3 rounds, escalation, and then a final complaint on the FTC level if needed. Okay, so let's say you're just going to pick this letter. You're going to create letters now, and boom, it automatically imports all the information that we have selected. Now, guys, these aren't our real letters. Since we're just doing this demonstration, I just put some generic letters that I found on the website on here, but just give you an idea of how quick and easy it is to select the items and print your letter with each bureau. So this first one is with TransUnion, the second one is with Equifax, and the third one's with Experian. Okay. After you review them, you can also make changes here. See that as I'm typing here, you can make changes, edit them if you notice anything that you want to add or maybe an error. You do have an option of us mailing it for you. There is a cost for that. If you're busy or you don't have a printer, this may be a good option for you. Or you can just print the letters from your house, select your printer, and boom. After you've printed out your letters, you will have a history archive right here on the letters generated section here. So this is useful when you escalate your rounds. You can attach copies that you sent previously, and we store them all right here for you. Okay. We also have some, if you need help from our certified team, you can click on this link right here. This is where you'll schedule for a fee. You just select what type of help you're needing. And then also, if you need established credit, we do have that tab right here available for you. We have approved lines of credit affiliates, I guess that's the right way of saying it, that we've been using for quite some time as well, and they have been helping our clients establish credit the easiest without an inquiry. Okay, we do have instructions on how to settle accounts with instructional videos if needed. We do have limited support. Keep in mind, this is only for the do-it-yourselfers, but if you're having trouble importing a credit report, we can help with that. But if you're needing information on how to dispute as far as what strategies, you'll need to select from our schedule an appointment with one of our certified credit counselors. So, guys, I hope this kind of introduced you a soft introduction of what we got going here at Mr. Credit Solutions. We have been and we will still be assisting clients with credit counseling and us repairing credit for them. But we believe this is a great option. Right now, it's only $39.95, and that does include your credit monitoring. A lot of credit monitoring companies alone are $30, so this is saving you quite a bit of money. So I say try our process. We have our templates and everything. And if it doesn't work, you get up to 6 month credit, which it shouldn't take you longer than 6 months, that you can apply for a regular service from us. So you won't lose out if you feel like you didn't get quite the benefit that you were looking for. So we offer that to you. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to help. Let's get your scores up.